Assalamualaikum and hello to Dr. Aksrul. Today we will present our finding on the case study for this assignment. The laws, codes, and standards that are relevant to the operation is the regulatory tool that set the guideline and require to ensure observation of the regulation, safety, and best practice in the variation of the industry. There are four laws, codes, and standards that are relevant to the plant, which is the first one, Environmental Quality Act 1974. Second one, Factory and Machinery Act 1967. The third one, Occupation Safety and Health Act 1974. OSHA, and the last one, the Industry Code of Practice on Chemical Classification and Hazard Communication 2014, ICOP.
Environmental Quality Act 1974, the specific requirements are obtaining an environmental impact assessment, obtaining a permit, implementing environmental management plans, monitoring and reporting, and emergency response plans. For Factories and Machinery Act 1967, the specific requirements are obtaining a certificate of fitness, implementing workplace safety and health management system, ensuring adequate safety measures, conducting regular inspections, and reporting and investigating accidents. For Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, the specific requirements are implementing a safety and health policy, conducting a risk assessment, providing personal protective equipment, providing safety training, reporting and investigating accidents, conducting regular safety inspections. For the Industry Code of Practice on Chemicals Classification and Hazard Communication 2014, the specific requirements are classifying chemicals, preparing safety data sheets, labeling chemicals, providing training, implementing risk management measures, and reporting and investigating incidents.
Now, I will present about the safety system and procedure that must be in place to ensure the safety of the operation of the plants. The safety system is referred as the special technical or managerial skills used to identify or control hazards throughout the life cycle of the operation of the plants. Objective of this system is to ensure each individual lives or works under conditions where the hazards are known and controlled to an acceptable level of the potential harm. Process safety management is one of the widely known mandatory standards used in the industries. It is made by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administrations. It consists of 14 elements where it is aimed to prevent or minimize the hazards or effect from the toxic, flammable, highly reactive, and explosive substances.
Monitoring the plant is essential because it's a process to predictably collect, analyze, and use the information, actively manage the performance, maximize the positive impact, and minimize the risk of adverse impact. This means by monitoring the plant, we can reduce the probability if any type of hazard that can impact our society and environment pollution from occur. We take case on the group issue factory plant explosion, physical hazard due to the failure of the boiler. This happened because the lack of monitoring the plant just fully depends on the safety instrument on the boiler machine. The consequences on the society are 58 people were killed and 150 people injured while the smoke produced from the explosion polluted the environment. So we can see from the case 2, around 4,000 people in Pasir Gudang sought medical attention after toxic waste was illegally dumped into the Sungai Kimpling, caused them to feel sick to the stomach and dizzy and hard to breathe. This happened due to the lack of monitoring the plant on the waste management on the plant, and this can happen. The second case is 4,000 people in Pasir Gudang sought medical attention after toxic waste was illegally dumped into the Sungai Kimpling, causing them to feel sick to the stomach, dizzy, and hard to breathe. This is a lack monitoring plan on the waste management sites, where it impact our society, health, and generate water pollution. So it's important to monitoring our plan because lack of monitoring plan can give a negative impact to our society and our environment.
For personal reflection, upon reviewing and observing the case study stated before, the accident happened in the plant because the law or regulation was not strictly followed by the company. It will cost a lot of money to repair and might make someone lose their life if anything happened at the plant, and the use of law or regulation can prevent or minimize the risk of an accident occurring at the plant if occur someday in the future. That's all from our group. Thank you.